what we are going to learn is about a fundamental theorem of arithmetic. The first concept in the real number, what you are going to learn is about fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Okay. So in this fundamental theorem of arithmetic, what we are going to study means we are going to study about representing a number, a composite number as a product of its prime factors. Suppose we consider the number of 8. 8 is a number. So 8 is a composite number. 8 is a composite number. Why we call it as a composite number? Because a number which has more than two factors, are composite numbers. So when we see the factors of 8, when you write the factors of 8, you have to see which all number divides 8. So we can see 1 divides 8. So 1 divides 8 is 1 is a factor of 8. 2 divides 8. 2 is a factor of 8. 4 divides 8. 8 is a factor of 4 is a factor of 8. And 8 itself divides 8. So 8 is also a factor of 8. So you count the number of factors here. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have 4 factors. So 8 is a composite number. So the condition for the composite number means a number should have more than 2 factors. Let us take one more example here. Now we can see the factors of 4. In the factors of 4, you can see 1 divides 4, 2 divides 4, and 4 also divides 4. So 4 is also a composite number. Why? Because it has more than 2 factors. When you see the factors of 4, you have 3 factors here. So 4 is also a composite numbers. Let us check with the factors of 3. So in 3, the factors means 1 divides 3 and 3 divides 3. So 3 has only 2 factors. So 3 is not a composite number. You can't consider 3 as a composite number. In the same way, when you take the factors of 2, in the 2 also you have only 2 factors, 1 and 2. So 2 is also not a composite number. From this we understood composite numbers are the numbers which has more than 2 factors. Now let us see how we are going to represent these composite numbers as product of prime factors. Let us assume a number, or let us consider a number 36. Let us write a number 36. Okay. Now you know how to take the prime factors of a given number. You have learned in your earlier classes also. So let us see which is the smallest number, which is the smallest prime number that divides 36. So that is 2. 2 how much? 2, it is 18, sir. Okay. Next we have to say then 2. 2 how much? 2 9s are 18. Then we cannot divide 2 with 9. So we have to consider the next number, that is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Then next is 3 times 1 is 3. So when you see this number 36, you can write as a product of prime factors, that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So this is how we are going to write composite number as a product of prime factors. So this is what the fundamental theorem of arithmetic says, that every composite number can be written in the product of its prime factors apart from the order in which they occur. If you write here 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, that is also the same. If you write 3 times 3 times 2 times 2, that is also the same.